Hello people, so welcome back again. So today I'm going to make a hairspray, and this hairspray is going to nourish the scalp, soothe the scalp, calm scalp irritation, and at the same time is going to help to balance the pH of your scalp. At the same time is going to help to make your hair grow and give you a fuller, thicker hair. So if you know that you have a scanty hair, the hair on your edges are so scanty, you want to grow your hair, then you need to watch this video to the end, and do not forget to like and share this video. So watch how I will make this hairspray from beginning to end, and at the same time I'm gonna be showing you how to apply this hairspray on your hair. Use this hairspray, and within 2 weeks you're going to see tremendous changes on your hair. So let's proceed. So first of all, we need to clear off all this. These are the herbs we are using. Then you need a very clean pot. This is actually the pot I use in my cosmetic factory. I use this pot to do double boiling most of the time when I want to dissolve skincare ingredients. So I'm going to be adding water into this pot, and please do not use tap water. You need to use distilled water. Okay, get a distilled water, or you get a spring water like Hiva bottle, or whichever spring water you want to get. Just get a good bottle water and use if you don't have distilled water. Right now I'm going to add in my distilled water into my pot, and I'm adding 250 ml of distilled water, because trust me, by the time you're trying to extract the herbal water, you're going to lose some of the water. So it's better you add in a little bit more, so that you'll be able to get exactly the quantity needed. So right away I'm going to measure out or weigh out all my herbs, and this brings me to you needing a scale. Please try to get a scale. Scale is very cheap. Okay, so we are going to be adding in our herbs, and the first herb I'll be adding in here is my hibiscus powder. So this is hibiscus powder. You can actually use hibiscus flower. Hibiscus powder is very good for your hair. It helps stop hair loss. It makes your hair look healthy and lustrous. It prevents premature graying, and it thickens the hair and add volume. It treats dandruff. It conditions against frizz, dryness, and breakage, and it prevents split ends. So this is needed in this hairspray. Like, it's jam-packed with a whole lot of benefits and goodies. So that's why I'm actually adding in my hibiscus powder, or you add in your hibiscus flower. So next I'm gonna be adding in my clove powder. I am using powders all through, and if you want to purchase all those ingredients, I'm going to be dropping the link to where you can actually purchase all these ingredients, because I know most of you will come and start asking me, where can I get this ingredient, where can I get the ingredients? So I'm going to drop contact where you can get them. So I am adding in my clove. Clove contain the antioxidants which your hair needs to actually do well. It contains oxidants which can help to prevent the oxidation of the hair follicles. So I am adding in 5 grams of my clove powder, and yes, also have it in mind that clove can irritate your scalp. So I am actually blending all those herbs with anti-irritants, soothing and calming herbs also, so that your scalp don't get irritated, because trust me, most people, they react to cloves. So next I'm going to add in my lavender bud. So lavender bud is very good for soothing and calming of your of the scalp. And the same thing applies to soothing and calming of the skin. So it is actually a soothing or a calming herb, which is very good for the hair and the skin also. Lavender water will leave your hair smooth and shiny, and it will soothe your scalp. Next is chamomile. We're adding chamomile herb into our hairspray. Chamomile also is very good for your hair. It promotes hair strength, it prevents split ends. So chamomile also promotes hair growth, and it improves blood circulation to the scalp and to the hair follicles. So this is very essential to our scalp. Chamomile is very essential to your scalp. Next, I'll be adding in my rosemary herb. It contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, just like the clove. Yeah, clove also contains antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. And rosemary tends to stimulate the hair growth and reduce hair fall. It helps to reduce scalp inflammation. Moreover, it even helps stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles and strengthen the hair. So these are the herbs. I'm going to pour the herbs into my distilled water, which is inside my pot. So pour your herbs in there and give it a stir. Then watch out for the next step. So I'm going to place this on my cooker and allow this to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is the boiled herbs. So right now I'm going to strain out the water. You can just pour this into a cheesecloth. I don't have a cheesecloth, so I'm just trying to see how I can extract. So I'm going to sieve this one more time. So next I need to place this on my scale and take my scale back to 0 because I need to add in preservative. Why I'm adding preservative is because if you want to sell this, you need to preserve it. If you don't have a fridge, you need to preserve this, and so that this will be able to stay longer without spoiling. So that is why I am adding preservative. I'm using a particular kind of preservative named Jamal Plus. So I'm going to drop contact to where you can get all these ingredients, all these herbs and preservative. So balance the pH to pH 5.5 because pH 5.5 is best for your scalp. When you follow the measurements I am dropping, you're going to get exactly 200 ml of your hairspray. So I'm going to demonstrate how you can apply this on the scalp. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and share the video, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.